the all-new iQOO Neo 7. So let's dig right in and know why this phone is the perfect buy for all you gaming enthusiasts. Let's start out by talking about the processor. The iQOO Neo 7 has a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor, the first 4nm processor in this segment, boasting the segment's highest ANTUTU score, making it one of the most powerful mid-range flagship phones out there. It ensures unmatched performance and the ability to experience graphic-heavy games even on high settings, including New State Mobile, Call of Duty, and soon on Battleground Mobile. Gamers can enjoy high frame rate gameplay, negligible connection drops, along with its power-efficient enhancement. Gameplay now lasts longer than ever. The iQOO Neo 7 comes in two attractive color options, the Frost Blue and the Interstellar Black. Full marks to iQOO in the charging department as well, because you get a 120-watt flash charge, which gives you 50% charging in just 10 minutes. The smartphone is powered by a massive 5000 mAh battery. With these cheat codes, you can enjoy non-stop gaming and multitasking on the iQOO Neo 7. The Neo 7 comes in two variants with 8GB and 12GB RAM. With extended RAM 3.0, you can increase your RAM capability by up to 8GBs, making it one of the fastest smartphones in this segment. With additional RAM power, you can multitask through 36 apps at the same time and enhance your gaming experience to the next level. What makes gaming so much fun on the iQOO Neo 7 is its motion control capabilities. With 6 customizable motion controls, enjoy an immersive and unique gaming experience on all your high-end games. Now you won't need a break and wait for your phone to cool down, because even after many hours of multitasking and gaming, the iQOO Neo 7 will give you full coverage 3D cooling system. So, no more overheating tension, and with a cutting-edge vapor chamber and 3D graphite structure, you can stay cool and focused during your heated gaming sessions. Coming to its camera, the iQOO Neo 7 has a 64-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization. It captures amazingly detailed and sharp images with minimum blur owing to its OIS feature. To sum it up, the all-new iQOO Neo 7 is one of the best flagship phones in the smartphone category. Powered by a powerful processor, fast charging, dedicated gaming controls, and amazing graphics, as well as amazing battery life. So get your power to win with the iQOO Neo 7. I hope you had fun watching this video. Thank you so much for watching.